Flexible cords exceeding 6 feet in length necessitate a ground wire to guarantee appropriate grounding and electrical safety. The ground wire establishes a conduit for any errant electrical current to return to the ground, averting its passage through the user or the connected appliance. This mechanism effectively diminishes the risk of electrical shocks, fire incidents, and other potential hazards. Some examples are extension cords used for power tools, various appliances, and lighting fixtures. Power cords are also used for outdoor equipment such as lawnmowers and hedge trimmers. It can also be for temporary wiring solutions on construction sites, trade shows, and various other events. It is also applicable for lighting cables for stage or studio setups. There are many benefits of employing grounded flexible cords, notably electrical safety. The ground wire insulates users from the peril of electrical shocks by facilitating a secure pathway for stray current dissipation. It significantly contributes to fire prevention. The ground wire actively mitigates the risk of fire by dispersing electrical heat, which might otherwise accumulate and lead to the ignition of combustible materials. It helps with compliance with electrical codes. Predominantly, electrical codes stipulate that flexible cords exceeding 6 feet in length must be grounded. The utilization of ungrounded cords can contravene building codes and invalidate insurance policies. It also adds to the protection of appliances. The ground wire aids in safeguarding appliances against harm resulting from electrical surges or faults. During installation, ensure meticulous attention is given to several key considerations. Firstly, guarantee that the ground wire is impeccably connected to both the power source, that is, the outlet, and the appliance itself. Secondly, integrate a ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI, to amplify the degree of protection against electrical hazards. Thirdly, institute a routine inspection protocol for the cord, meticulously scrutinizing it for any indications of damage or degradation. By diligently employing grounded flexible cords exceeding 6 feet in length, the electrical integrity of equipment is fortified and the potential for hazards is effectively mitigated.